Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to do something that you may or may not know how to do. I think it's super helpful if you're trying to track not just your traffic and your events and everything like that for your website and see what kind of engagement you're getting, but also to be able to see your search performance, your Google search performance all in one place. And that is going to be to connect Google Analytics with Google Search Console. So you might already have both of those set up, but may or may not know that you can connect them together. And then you can see your Google Search Console information within your Google Analytics account. It's pretty helpful. So let me switch over here. I'm going to share my screen so we can take a look at this. So this is a Google Analytics account for one of my clients. And we've also got one second here, Google Search Console. We've also got that set up. So we've got both of these already set up. And that is one of the requirements for doing this. You need to have both of them set up. You can't just set one up. You got to have Google Search Console and Google Analytics set up. And the account that you're logged into needs to have edit ability for both of them. So at least editor. I'm an administrator for both of these, so I can set it up. So you're going to go into Google Analytics, and then you're going to go to the settings, which is this little gear icon down here in the bottom left corner. And in those settings, you're going to scroll down to product links. If you don't see it, you can see it's right here, product links. So you can click on that as well. And you'll see at the very bottom, we've got Google Search Console or Search Console links. So I'll click on that. And we can see here, it is not linked yet. You can actually link the Google Analytics property to one or more Google Search Console properties. So we're going to only link it to one in this case. So I'm going to click on link. And then you need to find the Search Console property. And again, you need to be a manager for it. So I'll click on choose accounts. And then I need to find the account. And so this is for Annapolis Home Concierge. So I'll just type in Anna. And we can see there, Annapolis Home Concierge. So we're going to click on that. And then confirm. Click next. And then you need to select the web stream. So it needs to be the stream within the data stream within your Google Analytics property. So we'll click on select there. And then it might come up with more than one if you have more than one data stream. I've only got the one, so I'm going to choose that and then click next. And then just double check, make sure everything looks good. And then you're going to click submit. Now, after it does that, sometimes it takes a second. But I'm going to go to my reports. And sometimes it shows up pretty quickly. Sometimes it takes a minute. Yeah, it didn't show up just yet. So if it doesn't ever show up, go under library. And sometimes, again, it takes a minute there. Might need to refresh it. It's trying to load. Yeah, it hasn't loaded yet. Let me refresh. So if we go to the library, there it is, Search Console. So again, it does sometimes there's a little bit of a delay. It should automatically be published, so you shouldn't have to actually add it. If for some reason it doesn't automatically publish, so you can see it's published to all. If it doesn't show up, you can click on the three dots and you would choose publish. So you can see for this one, business objectives. If I wanted to publish that one, I would choose publish. It's not published right now, but you do want the Search Console to be published. And we can see over here on the left side in my menu, and again, this is under reports. You should see Search Console now, and you can look at your queries. So if we go to queries here, let me click on that. It takes a second to load. We can see what queries this search property is getting. So we can see most of them they're searching for Annapolis Home Concierge. You can also see how many impressions they're getting and what their click-through rate is. So that's pretty helpful information. We can also go to Google Organic Search Traffic. And this is going to show us the clicks over time. And this is where it basically links the two together. So you can see the landing page, so the page that people are coming to using the search. So we can go down here. So this is the landing page from Google Analytics. And then it's going to combine that with the information from Google Search Console. So we can see here about Annapolis Home Concierge. The homepage is the one with the most clicks and everything, but about Annapolis Home Concierge is the second one. And again, you can see what the click-through rate is. But what's really, really helpful, I think, is you can also see how many of the sessions that you're getting are engaged. So that'll give you what your engagement rate is. And again, this is coming from the Google Analytics, not the Search Console. So it's combining those two together. And you can also see the engagement time. So this lets you get some more information than you would get by just looking at the Google Search Console. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to try to answer them for you. But stay tuned. Come back next time. I'm going to try to start going live. Going to try to go live once a week. It might end up being every couple of weeks, but we'll see what the time looks like. And I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching.